Now Stark has joined Jérôme Olivet, another famous French designer, to create a concept that shows us what the smartphone of the future should be like, a radical change that completely eliminates the touchscreen interface, to take a step towards the use of holograms. Stark's work on the Mi Mix has been deeply praised around the world, as it is the first smartphone with a screen covering 91% of the front surface of the device. However, Stark is against the growing culture of screens, where everything is being taken to this type of formats, which according to him are impractical, in addition to leaving very few possibilities to play with design and form factors. The ALO smartphone is a resounding response to all this, since it would be a translucent device with an elongated design designed to fit naturally in the hand. Here there would be no screen or tactile surfaces, all the information would be deployed through holograms either on the same device or projected on some other surface. We could see from videos, messages, read news, and any activity through 3D holographic images. For its operation we would be based exclusively on voice commands, where thanks to a virtual assistant we can access the functions provided by this smartphone. The ALO camera would be one of the most important points, since it would behave like the human eye, being able to identify objects, places, situations, people, and even texts, in order to act accordingly. Besides that, it will also serve as a medium of projection. The heart of ALO would be made of a cast aluminum alloy, which would be covered by a flexible polymer shell that would have haptic response capabilities. The feedback would be by means of small vibrations or producing heat. Here it will depend on what we are doing or the place where we are. In addition, the casing would have self-healing capabilities, which would cause the device to support maltreatment. This unconventional idea about a smartphone is a work done for the French electronics company Thomson, where they try to lay the groundwork for a future that will be dominated by artificial intelligence and robotics. Although it is a concept, both designers are looking for ways to manufacture a prototype, which may not have all the functions they want.